Great. SkyAceFox with Captain Hero plus my nephew, Keith. What? Apparently they're silent today, but anyways, we got these on sale at Walmart, like really cheap. And
big sales.
Big sales, crazy sales. I'm hoping to get Tracer, Pharaoh, this one, Soldier 76, and Bastion, since they don't have Reinhardt or any of that, but we have 8 of them, and we get to see which ones we get.
Hoping we get a Rainer.
You want a Raider?
Raynor.
Raynor?
Beyond.
And there's 8 of them, so here we go. Box number 1. Somebody done opened them.
Oh, they did. That's
a Pharaoh.
Wasn't it?
It was glued, so I don't know why it was ripped.
It was just...
It's Pharaoh. Or Pharaoh, whatever her name is.
That's pretty cool.
That's one.
I guess I can crack the boxes open.
Well, y'all can open some too.
Get the bag ready.
So can I open one?
Yeah, in a minute. These big old bags for something this tiny. It is me proof. Let's see. This looks like Soldier 76. Yeah.
A lot of these are ripped.
Hero. He's trying to open which.
This one's glued.
Yeah, Soldier 76.
That's good.
These 2 so far are from Overwatch. Oh, this is, who is this guy?
Barbarian? That guy?
Wait, it could be Barbarian.
That's cool.
I don't know what he's from, to be honest. It's something from Blizzard, so it could be Heroes of the Storm, it could be God knows
Warcraft.
what. Our I don't know. But it could be anything. If you know what it is, leave a comment in the description below. And say which one's your favorite, too. Oh, another Pharaoh. Oh, in that one of these bags, there's another one of these. I don't know which one it is. It might be this one. Yeah, it's this one. It's like everything goes in boxes. Or bags, I mean. Like I said, this was like really discounted. Either that or I wouldn't have got them. Because they were originally pretty expensive.
$9?
Yeah, they're like $9 a piece. But they were marked down all the way down to 2. So I said, what the heck. Plus, it's my birthday weekend, so I get a splurge. Right?
Yeah.
Ew, it's a bug. Ooh, what are you from?
I don't even think that's on there. Yeah, it's on there.
It's on there. It's the,
I don't know.
it's the Rainbow Goblin. And the other one's Treasure Goblin. I'm guessing it's rainbow because he's got a weird pack on his butt. Oh, there's treasure coming out of his bag.
Yeah, it's rainbow.
Okay. Ooh, haha, earthquake. But most of these guys I don't know what are from. I know what Overwatch is from. Or the ones from Overwatch. I don't know what this guy's from. I mean, it's Blizzard, so it could be Heroes of the Storm or whatever else there is. Next one.
You said all of them were open.
Oh, I think. Did you open them?
I didn't rip open the
No,
bag.
the bag.
Oh.
I opened all the
Hey,
boxes.
What's her name? Nova? Nova. I thought it was the healer from Overwatch. My bad.
So far, you
Got
only
excited.
got one of the same.
And Hero can open one of those boxes.
Okay.
And then Keith can open the other one.
Okay.
And I did that backwards. And there's Nova. From God knows what. Alright, Hero's gonna go first.
That box out of the way.
Oh, another. Is that another one?
It looks like, yeah.
That's another one. And that was
The Barbarian?
the Barbarian. Goes in the leg one. And here's what Keith's gonna open.
Here's the box.
Just put the box somewhere. Oh, it looks like. Oh, it's Bastion. Inside the video. Hold it in your hand.
I think I left the thingy in there. Yep.
So we got three and a double from Overwatch, and the rest I don't know what are from. Maybe Heroes of the Storm? I don't know. Don't give me a lion. But he got Bastion. Anybody that plays Overwatch knows who Bastion is and always hates him.
He's the coolest one.
But he's cute. So there's the Rainbow Goblin. Bastion. Nova. Whoops.
2 barbarians.
The Barbarian. Farah or whatever. Yeah, it's from Overwatch. And then Soldier 76. So leave I don't know. If you know who or what he's from, her, leave it in the description below, and him. And I'll read over your comments and I'll know something new. Until next time, bye guys.